Hey, today we are gonna talk about the two only exercises you need for fixing epicondylitis, also known as tennis elbow, also known as lateral tendinopathy of the forearm. We are talking about the same thing. How does this work? Well, as we mentioned in a previous video about tendinopathies, which you will have linked, tendinopathies have nothing to do with inflammation, but are more related with degeneration of the tendon. Okay, so how do we tackle this degeneration? Through strength training. Strength training. So the first exercise is gonna be weighted wrist extensions. I'm gonna show you how that looks like. We are gonna put our forearm on top of a surface like the corner of a table, and hanging a little weight, we are gonna let our wrist fully fall downwards and then extend it as high as we can. When we both let the weight hang in the lowest position and contract our muscle by lifting the weight, we are gonna feel some kind of pain in the area that usually hurts in the epicondylitis. This is completely normal and nothing to worry about. The tissues just hurt in the most stretched and contracted positions of the tendon. The second exercise is going to be weighted supination and pronations. Again, this is what they are going to look like. We are going to grab a weight by its end to have gravity pull more on it, and we are going to slowly turn our forearm from one side to the other. Again, it's important to do this in a controlled fashion so that our muscles are working to fight the resistance of the dumbbell. And how are we gonna program these exercises? Well, these two exercises, which are gonna be the wrist extensions and the supinations and pronations, we are gonna program them in this way. We are gonna do 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. We are gonna do it every day, and we are gonna progress repetitions one each day until reaching 20. Reaching 20 repetitions each. So imagine we start one day. Our first day of training is gonna consist of 3 sets of extensions, 10 repetitions with 2 kilograms. For example, 2 kilograms is usually a good enough weight to start these exercises. And then we are gonna do 3 sets of supinations and pronations, 10 reps, with 2 kilograms also. So we are gonna progress each day that goes by. We are gonna add 1 repetition. So next day is gonna be 11 reps with 2 kilograms. The following day is gonna be 12 reps with 2 kilograms until one day we reach 20 repetitions with 2 kilograms. What do we do at that point? Well, we go back to 10 repetitions, but we increase the weight to 3 kilograms. That way, we will be always increasing in intensity on the exercises. We will go down a little bit for the day we decrease the reps and increase the weight, but slowly make our way up to increase the capacity of our tendon. And some last tips on how to program and how to progress these exercises. First, keep doing this procedure until pain decreases. This is the main idea. You just keep adding weight and repetitions to the exercises so that the tendon gets used to load, and before you know it, you have fixed your issue. That's the whole point of the video, to just give you the 2 simplest exercises you can do to fix the issue. No brainer, just keep repeating the process until it works. Then, also as with all tendinopathies, highs and lows are normal. Just if some days your elbow or forearm hurts more than the other, even when you did the same kind of effort, it's completely normal. Tendinopathies are just like this. It's part of the process. They are random. Sometimes they hurt when you haven't done any significant effort, yet they are fine after certain long working days. They are completely random and it's completely normal. Also, just to prepare you and to warn you, usual recovery times, they vary between 2 and 6 months. Depends on how much time you've been carrying the injury, but it takes time. The tendons need to get used to loads to build resilience, but by doing the exercises you will get there. And also introduce daily activities progressively, such as your normal sports, your normal weights on the gym, your normal activities that you had stopped. As the tendon builds resilience, it will probably be more prepared to tolerate the loads that it wasn't before. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave you a couple of videos linked, including our first tendinopathies video, in which you will get more information on how to treat tendinopathies.